So similar to the first MANOVA we have done, we want to break down and to see the effect of each dependent variables. And as we can see, both the p-value are significantly less than 0.05. And also we want to use the univariate test to see the contrast we have said before. So for the first is the psychological model, and we have done this one, and it shows there is no significant difference between the ACT therapy and the non-treatment group. But for the cognitive part, all the p-values are less than 0.05. So we can make the conclusion that it's similar to the first MANOVA we have done. So there was significant effect of the CBT therapy on treating depression and in the psychological and emotional areas. But there was a significant effect of the ACT therapy on treating depression only in the cognitive part, but not the psychological part. So therefore, we can make the conclusion that the CBT is more effective to deal with the depressive disorder compared to the ACT therapy. And finally, it's a discriminated analysis. So it's the same as the last MANOVA. We can see the groups are equal, and the variables the varied differentiate groups affect the dependent variables differently because the values are all different.